whoa, what's up, Gump? And what's up, freaks? I wanted to make sure we did this intro before we left so you can know, no matter how this ages, no matter the outcome, I always have the same energy. I believe I can win. I'll never change that, and I will not apologize for that. We worked way too hard for it. So, we are headed to Indy. I am hoping we can finally finish a dadgum race, and of course, Lord willing, we're gonna finish it with a W. Are you ready to go get this W, Gumpy? Let's go to Indy. Let's go, brother.
Some losses through the process had me furious, but I got eyes on the vision, can't get delirious. Fall in love with the game and then you marry it. I think I married it. This the anthem. If you reckon with it, put your hands up. Yeah, this the anthem. If you get up and get it, put your hands up.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Today is Thursday. It is actually one of my favorite days in the process of getting ready for the track. I always, double check the checklist, make sure we have everything we need to go. Today we are doing a tune-up, oil change, spark plugs. I have to decide if I want to keep chasing down the issue with the electronic boost controller or switch over to the manual boost controller. I'm honestly thinking about just going back to Old Faithful and messing with the electronic setup when we come back. But I always take the truck, vacuum it front to back, clean it, wash it, do the same with the car. It's just I don't want to say tradition. That's the wrong word, I guess. I don't know. It's something I like to do. I've always believed, the cleaner and better you take care of your things, the better it operates. So it's probably something, with no merit, but it works for us. I love doing it. I love this day. I really, truly love today. I get to sit here and think about the what ifs, the negatives, the bads, the goods, the amazings, because today you have no idea what's about to come. And that is genuinely what excites me about this process, man. No idea what the weekend's gonna bring. I'm always chasing the W, but you never know if you're gonna get it, and that's why it fires me up to chase it so hard. So anyway, hopefully you guys will join us through this video. Let's start off getting ready for the track day, baby. Let's go. Tell y'all what, I don't know much about much, but I know I wish I was doing this at a different time of the day when that sun wasn't blasting right up on my face. It's kind of rude. Just kidding, y'all. I don't have on my mangina. I can suck it up. But for real, though, I wouldn't mind some shade. Pump it up. Dang, man. Now that you got that jack hole there, this sure is a convenient operation.
I'm getting tired of your bullshit. I'm tired of your voice. I'm getting tired of the way you leave me hanging with no choice. If you would ask me long ago, back when you seduced me, yeah, I felt like a domino, but I knew you were liability. He said, baby, I've been dying to see you. Almost thought we were through. I've been busy hanging with my boys, but you look stunning. I forgot how fine you are, but I didn't forget to give you a call. I was just busy with, oh, shut up, shut up, such a dumb. It's almost funny. Got the lips of an angel, got the eyes of a beast, got the hands of a helper, got me weak to my knees. If you would ask me long ago, already knew you were poison. Yet I felt like a domino when you showed up here. He said, baby, I've been dying to see you. Almost thought we were through. I've been busy hanging with my boys, but you look stunning. I forgot how fine you are, but I didn't forget to give you a call. I was just busy with, oh, shut up, shut up, such a dumb.
The tire pressure good, Jack? Look good? Yeah? Dadgummit, huh? We just can't escape the rain, but that's okay. It's weird, I've been listening to that Adele song, Set Fire to Rain, so we're just gonna have to do it, baby. Dear Lord, I just wanna let you know how grateful I am to have this opportunity. Ultimately, I hope you bless other people with the excitement and joy I get from doing what we're about to do this weekend. I can't thank you enough for everything. I pray for everybody's safety. I pray for everybody's safe travels. I pray we have a great weekend. I pray we plant seeds. I thank you for everything you do. In your name I pray, amen. Let's go, girl. Okay, so Jackie, of course, is outside all the time. She's outside at night, but she always has us as the fallback. I mean, that's part of losing your mom, right? We take care of them. But this is the first time I've ever had to leave her. So for 2 days, she's gonna be on her own, essentially. There's food and all that. She's gonna be fine. I'm the one with the daggum issues. Anyway, Jackie, we'll be back soon with some hardware for you to put your little dirty little raccoon barn cat mitts all over. So it'll be worth it. Just remember our purpose. I'm sorry, baby. We're not abandoning you. It's okay. We'll be back. You know what my first thought is?
Huh?
I'm about to spell some shit wrong. And that's how they're gonna subscribe.
And then you go viral for being dumb.
Hey, maybe I should have spelt it wrong on purpose. That way they'll like, I'm subscribing to this dumbass. New ad tactic. Nothing else works. This probably won't either.
Feel like Kobe, I'm like Jokic with the rock. You physically couldn't hold me, I don't care if you push it 40. You can never little bro me. Euro step like Ginobili, from young OG to the OG. From nosebleeds to floor seats. Circle stronger than Cuban links. My gold decks, your gold plated. You verse me, now that's a reach. We ready? Who ready?
What's up, guys? I have not done like any type of an intro or doing where we're at. It just gets a little clusterfucky. I don't think enough people get credit for setting up a camera, remembering to say, hey man, we're at Indy and all that type of stuff. So anyway, we're at Indy, streetcar takeover. So far we've had one run, ran a 10.96, so we are close to the money. little teensy quick. We're gonna let it sit where it's at, do one more pass, see what it does, because tomorrow it's gonna be freaking nutso hot. But I don't want to forget this, and I don't know if there's video, I don't know if my GoPro is on. I apparently love to start events with clusterfuckery. So we get up there, they start prepping the track. Well, in order to have the laptop do the stuff, my key needs to be on. I was kind of, trying to play the game of having it on only when I went to go. Well, every time I went to go, they shut us down again. Long story short, my battery died. You won't get the concept of this, but I had to run from where I was to where we are now.
Which is what? Half a mile, quarter mile?
The boy set records for gimp leg. It's the first time in a long time my right leg actually quit working on the run back. I made it back. The last 11-0 car was just going up, and they were talking about not letting me go. Finally jumped the car, blah, blah, blah. Almost left my gloves on the roof of the car. She had to tell me that. She had to take the jump box off. I'm sweating, can't breathe, trying to do the stuff, trying to make sure everything's good, trying to turn the computer on, blah, blah, blah. We run, do 10-9, and then there's 2 exits here. The last one they usually bitch at you if you go to. I didn't know there was a last one. I forgot. So I went flying by the first one, and I'm like, oh, shit. I stop in the middle of the track, and I'm like, I'm going to have to back up after having that whole catastrophe. Oh, and I forgot it's instant green. She's got to remind me next time. I just got off a pro tree. Now it's going exactly like you would think.
He didn't shit his pants though.
Not yet. We got a whole another day ahead of us. So we're winning already. I have baby wipes this time. I'm not even scared to shit my pants anymore. They got water puddles everywhere. We're good, right?
Hot as fuck water puddles.
Dude, it's hot. Actually, right now it's gorgeous. Sunset.
Got a little tiny bit of wind.
I feel sticky. So that's where we are. Supposedly we get another run today, but the way that the cars are running, or lack of,
Yeah,
I have no idea what the hell's going on.
it's gonna be a while.
So we'll update you guys then.
And we learned don't eat food here.
Oh yeah, wasted $20 on day-old corn dogs.
Coffee wouldn't eat it.
I have a weird throat thing where things get stuck in my throat. First bite, I'm like.
And Grumpy's like,
So we got to go to Dairy Queen for her.
which I'm very happy for. I love it.
Anything else? See you soon.
short and sweet for you guys. I know it's hot out there in the sun. Get used to it because it ain't going away.
Riley, you gotta go by your car.
Oh, chances are getting better, boys.
No?
Next. Oh, your chances are even getting better now.
Dude, we got all the way down like.
You're a buy.
My shit!
Brother, prove it. We don't see shit over here.
Hey, you got the bike.
Got the bye.
Alright, so listen, he got the bike just like before. If there's an odd number of cars, he gets it. If there isn't, so now you're racing the GTO.
Okay.
And you guys are going to run after anyway?
Yes. So listen, guys. So now I'm going to have him pull out to right here, and then we're going to send you all to the yellow line. We're going to eliminate as you fall, okay?
Okay.
If there's an odd number, you get to buy. If there's not, you take the last car on the line. Make sense? Any questions?
Nope.
To the yellow line, gentlemen.
Left side, taking on Harley Town out of Plainwell, Michigan. Goes 1078 with a 2. Right lane goes 1115. Trip zip on the line and turns on the win line.
Hey, you have to lay the gap on that protester?
Hey, baby. Hey, rerun. I want to be able to go watch.
I don't care. You're making these fucking arrows. Okay, shut up. Stay here with the.
Number one.
Oh, man. Okay,
Don't go nowhere. Just wait.
Right
Hang
lane?
out. Don't move.
Okay, what's your car number?
just thought he was going to guess again. So I'm like, if he's going to guess again.
Okay, drivers, listen to me. The yellow line is yours. Let all of the 10-0 clear out though, so we don't have a traffic jam. But as soon as you can, pair yourselves up safely. The yellow line is yours. Good luck, gentlemen.
Good night, gentlemen. Third round eliminations.
And James wants to go to the next round.
Yeah, you did.
Ready?
Yep.
Brayden, right? Yep. Not Hayden, not Aiden. Remember that's good. He's gonna go get that W for me. He just kicked my ass all the way down the drag strip. We made an agreement not to guess. We both held our word, and I instantly regret that. I'm just kidding. In all seriousness, like I told you, if I'm still here, you go get that W. Absolutely. Back, because I got a plan for you.
All right.
I anticipate that's gonna happen. It's my pleasure. I'm genuinely happy he won, even though I hate losing.
Yeah.
I fucking hate it. I'm gonna cry about it tonight when he's not around, but I'm gonna celebrate for him, and it's fine. Lord gave me a blessed day. Man, I've enjoyed every second. It's been hot as balls. I feel like I was sun sick. My car's definitely beat so pro back to back, and then he just kicked my ass. So that's why I stopped at then. It died.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I didn't stop. I was like, oh my god, am I gonna have to get a record? But hopefully we'll drive back on the trailer. So anyway, I appreciate you.
Hey, absolutely.
Go get that.
It's the plan.
So, Indy streetcar takeover, that's a wrap. We got our ass kicked in the last round, and I hate losing, but we lost. It is what it is, right? It's part of life. And, hey, lie down. Anyway, it'll make us better. We'll come back, kick ass. I have nothing but faith we can come back from this. Alicia wants to highlight. We got a 000 reaction time.
Where's
Sit down
that?
there.
Oh,
Sit
yeah, I'm
down.
not very good at this game.
You ain't gonna be able to see that. Well, I'll put a picture or something. How about that?
Throw it in your face. In your face. There it is. Yay!
Sit down.
We're 454. Okay.
So anyway, that concludes our video. The car is heat soaked like shit because we had to do 3 hot laps back to back to back. That's not an excuse. We got our ass kicked. But the car did die at the end of the track and made me nervous, and it was like that. So hopefully we go on the trailer, and if we do, that's a win.
Definitely win.
Anyway, guys, as always, it's just like Gumpy is with his ball. Get out there. Get outside your comfort zone. Feed dreams, start fears, y'all.
Get it.
We'll 4 hours later. I'd like to leave this with you guys, not him, because he's funny. And if you do what I know and think you can do, I'd love to see a video of you giving this a big old shake, big old pop. I think it'd be cool. But that's up to you guys. As far as we know, it's grape juice. Whatever you want. But 616. Bro, I have so much faith. Oh, sorry. 710.